Exercise 1. Levine Company uses a sales journal, a purchases journal, a cash receipts journal, a cash disbursements journal, and a general journal. The following transactions occur in the month of March, and we're asked to journalize the March transactions that should be recorded in the sales journal. Levine uses a perpetual inventory system. A sales journal is used to record sale of merchandise on account. So let's look at the transactions. On March 2nd, sold merchandise costing $300 to R. Nagy for $450 cash, invoice number 5703. This is a cash sale. It would be recorded in the cash receipts journal, not the sales journal. March 5th, purchased $2,150 of merchandise on credit from Central Corp. This transaction would be recorded in the purchases journal. March 7th, sold merchandise costing $810 to K. Anklin for $1,175, terms 310 net 30, invoice number 5704. This is a sale of merchandise on account, and it would be recorded in the sales journal. In the sales journal, we'd include the date, March 7th, the account to be debited, the individual customer, K. Anklin, the invoice number, 5704, the amount that would be journalized as a debit to accounts receivable and a credit to sales, $1,175, and the amount to be debited to cost of goods sold and credited to inventory, $810. March 8th, borrowed $8,000 cash by signing a note payable to the bank. This would be included in the cash receipts journal, not the sales journal. March 12th, sold merchandise costing $203 to Swanson for $325, terms net 30, invoice number 5705. This is a sale of merchandise on account and is properly recorded in the sales journal. We include the date, March 12th, the customer name, Swanson, the invoice number, 5705, the amount to be recorded as the sale, $325, and the cost of the sale, $203. March 16th, received $1,140 cash from Anklin to pay for the purchase of March 7th. This would be recorded in the cash receipts journal. March 19th, sold used store equipment for $900 cash to Algoma Inc. This transaction would also be recorded in the cash receipts journal. March 25th, sold merchandise costing $350 to Sayers for $550, terms net 30, invoice number 5706. This is a sale of merchandise on account and is included in the sales journal. We include the date, March 25th, the customer, Sayers, invoice number 5706, the amount of the sale, $550, and the cost of the sale, $350.